Welcome to this custom-built masterpiece, situated just 10 minutes south of Calgary in the desirable community of De Winton. The attention to detail is apparent as you step into this bright and modern country estate, offering over 5,000 square feet of living space. Enjoy stunning panoramic views from every room in the house, overlooking downtown and the mountains. Relax in your master retreat boasting a gas fireplace, spa-like 7-piece ensuite, including a soaker tub and jetted shower, heated floors and his and hers closets. Experience luxury features in the gourmet kitchen with a burner gas range, warming oven, 2 dishwashers and a walk-through butler's pantry. This exquisite home features beautiful hardwood leading to the many rooms and baths. Step downstairs to your walkout lower level, offering in-floor heating, wet bar, family and media rooms, leading outside to a large patio area, capturing extraordinary views. Located in a community just outside of Calgary, the privacy of your own 2 acres is perfect for the growing family or executive couple seeking privacy and serenity after work. This property features a gated entrance, completed with a heated triple-car garage.